Hello everyone and welcome to the Crestron Technical Institute. In this video, learn about the different power standards for USB. With USB, power is determined by what is called a unit load. When a USB-powered device is plugged in and starts negotiating, the host device is told how many unit loads of power are needed. This power is then delivered regardless of whether the device is using all of what it is requesting. USB 1.1 and USB 2.0, one unit load is equal to 100 milliamps. Up to 5 unit loads could be used on a port, equaling a total of 500 milliamps. Before USB 3.0, the standard was a total of 5 volts DC at 500 milliamps or 0.5 amps. The total number of unit loads and total milliamps per unit load differ depending on the standard being utilized. USB 3.0 introduced the ability for more current, though the voltage was still 5 volts DC. Another USB power specification is called Power Delivery or PD. There are multiple versions of the Power Delivery specification. Power Delivery typically requires a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to Lightning cable, and a compatible device. A USB-C to USB-A cable cannot support the PD standard. Depending on the version of PD, 20 volts at 100 watts or 48 volts at 240 watts are possible. An extended power range or EPR cable is required. It is important to note that not all USB cables have conductors for communications and may only be power cables. Not all cables will have the same specifications or quality, even if they appear to all have the same connector. Another factor to consider is resistance. More power and higher bandwidths equal cable length limitations. There is a general recommendation of 3 meters, but this will vary depending on the quality of the cable being used. An active USB cable is typically utilized in scenarios beyond 3 meters. Whether referencing ports on a computer or a USB hub, there is always a limitation based on the total available power. Underpowering USB devices is one of the most common causes of system instability. Some devices that require USB 3.0, such as types of cameras, may not need the USB 3.0 data speeds, but require USB 3.0 because of the additional power possible. Always consult the documentation of the device you are using. Whether you are designing, installing, or testing a system, always verify you are working with the correct cables and following the device power specifications. Thank you for watching.